Brian Young is definitely an amazing person to talk to and listen to when it comes to scientific evidence that proves the Bible. When you're listening to him and watching his presentation, you see the evidence and you're just like, wow.
God gave us this science, and it's a secular world that tells us that it is against God, and it's not. And I've found reconciliation between my God and science that I love and have always loved and have always enjoyed, and they don't have to live in conflict with each other. So thank you for that.
If you are ever on the fence about believing if there is really a God or not, once you listen to Brian, there's no doubt, you know for sure there is a God.
I have learned so much. It was from going from being in the church and being in the world for so long, and finally having Brian Young piece all of that together, that said that this was how it was, and how we were so off on timetables, and where it just became all about the truth of our faith rather than just the truth of scientific theories.
It was one of the best presentations on creation that I've ever seen. It really increases your faith.
Impressed with the clearness and the details, but mainly how fun it was to listen to him.
That presentation was unbelievable. The way he blended science and the Bible, it just answers questions that you have your entire life. You grow up going to school and you hear one side of the story, and I remember sitting in church as a kid never understanding why those two things those worlds never collided. It didn't make any sense to me, and Brian's presentation just brought a whole new light to the Bible. I mean, the way he just expounds upon Scripture and uses science and archaeological evidence just to back everything up was just unbelievable. It really opens your eyes to the Word in a way that you've probably never seen before.
It was super informative. He really knew what he was talking about.
Man, I really enjoyed just being able to experience just a different way of opening my mind and thinking about some of the things he talked about, and creation, and just putting together all the things we hear about in the culture on evolution, and being able to find a biblical answer that's backed by Scripture, and being able to come to some kind of conclusion on a biblical worldview was just very refreshing for me. So I really enjoyed everything.